What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Columbia Men's Ascender Hooded Softshell Jacket I picked up on Amazon for $69.02. It actually gets 4.5 stars out of 5 stars out of 357 reviews on Amazon Prime. So I figured what better way to open up this holiday season, this fall, winter, spring part of the year. I know a lot of you watching this are probably in a part of the country where it's cold. So I figured I would order a really nice Columbia men's jacket that will keep you warm, that is water resistant and wind resistant as well. This jacket comes in a variety of colors. It comes in black, boulder, collegiate navy, gray, graphite, olive green, and dark mountain, which is like a sort of dark blue. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the difference between a soft shell hooded jacket and a hard shell hooded jacket? And the difference is that a soft shell is a stretchy material. So this material is actually kind of stretchy. You can pull on it a little bit, and it actually has some give. As where a hard shell jacket, you cannot tug on it. It's not stretchable. Okay, so let's actually take a look at some of the features of this jacket here. It's a beautiful Columbia men's jacket. As you can see, you've got a really nice hood on the back, and it's actually adjustable with the Velcro here. You've got a really nice front chest pocket next to the Columbia logo, so you can actually store like a wallet or a phone maybe in there. As you can see, it is just big enough to fit my hand in there and just big enough to fit a phone in there, which is really nice. Original ticket price for this jacket is actually $125. So $69.02 is a really great deal. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the quality control aspects of this jacket. The stitching is absolutely seamless here. Zippers run smoothly, no problems there whatsoever. Unfortunately, I did not order multiples of this jacket, so I can't tell you what the quality control is like. Like, I don't have a big enough sample size to tell you what the quality control is like, but I'm telling you right now, this is an absolutely stunning jacket, and when you open it up, you get this beautiful soft fleece material on the inside. And of course, if you actually look at the side of the jacket, you get a couple side pockets, which are a little bit bigger than the chest pocket. You can fit your hand in there and then some. So that maybe would be where you would put a majority of your things. And what's really nice is you also get this same pocket on the left-hand side as well. Other minor details of this jacket are the hood itself has fleece in it, which is really nice. As you can see, I got the extra large size here. Stitching around the cuffs is seamless again. And what I notice here is you've got another Velcro strap. So if you actually want to tighten the cuff a little bit or loosen it a little bit, and again, this is a stretchable sort of material. It's not stretchable like spandex, but it is stretchable to the point where if you're someone who maybe has a thick watch on, you can definitely wear it underneath and maybe loosen up this cuff a little bit so that you can slide your wrist in and out of your cuff to look at your watch. It is also wide enough to accommodate a glove. So if you're wearing a thick pair of gloves and you want to maybe increase or decrease the amount of wind that gets in, you can adjust this Velcro strap accordingly. So as you can tell, this jacket is really built for a cold winter environment. Like I said earlier, it is light snow and wind resistant. So that is a huge advantage. I know for a fact that when you're up north and it's windy out and it's cold, you know, you want something to break that wind. And this will be the jacket to help you do so and help you maintain a stylish look as well. Okay, so enough of me talking. Let's see what the jacket looks like on me. So as you see, you've got the hood here, which is really nice. And again, it is fully adjustable. So if I want to adjust it, I can absolutely do that. So here's what it looks like unzipped. You're probably going to want to wear it zipped up if it's cold or windy. So here's what she looks like fully zipped up. When I put this jacket on, it's automatically about 5 degrees, 10 degrees warmer wherever you are. It's really going to trap in that heat. So this is what it looks like with the hood on. So like I said earlier, this is a really comfortable jacket. When I lived up north for a little while, it was freezing, obviously, when the winter time would come around. And you don't want to get caught wearing just simple cotton sweatshirts or jackets or anything like that. You really want something nice like this that's really gonna break the wind. And just momentarily before we end the video, I just wanna go ahead and show you guys the back of the jacket here. It's got a really nice seam that runs across the back for a more sophisticated look. It's not just flush back here. It actually does have some character. Everything looks like it was pieced together almost. So you've got this upper half of the hoodie, you've got this upper half of the jacket, and you've got this lower half of the jacket. As you can see, the arms are stitched in, this lower half is stitched in, and even if you look on the back here, the hood is stitched in. So it's almost like this is a three-piece jacket. It's a really well-made jacket that fits well, keeps you warm, and looks great as well, I think. So that has been the men's Columbia Ascender hooded jacket I picked up on Amazon for $69.02. Because I picked it up on Amazon, it makes it a convenience good. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you gained something from it, something valuable. My name is John. I will see you in the next one.